Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make resume on Overleaf. All right, so let's begin with the video. There are several ways you can do this. One option is to start with a completely blank project and build your resume from scratch, but that's usually the more complicated approach. If you want to make a professional looking resume or CV quickly and with less effort, the easiest method is to use one of Overleaf's built-in templates. To get started, open Overleaf and go to the templates section at the top of the page. Once you open it, you don't even need to search because there is already a resume or CV category available. Click on it and you'll see a large collection of resume templates that you can choose from. Some of these templates are highlighted by the Overleaf staff, which usually means they're high-quality designs that have received positive feedback from users over time. Choose any template that fits the style you want. Then click on it, and once here, select Open as Template. After a few seconds, the template will load into the editor. On the left side, you'll see the code editor, where the LaTeX code is written. And on the right side, you'll see the PDF preview of your resume. This preview updates whenever you make changes, allowing you to instantly see how your resume looks. The template will already contain example information, so your job is simply to replace that content with your own details. You can edit names, job titles, education, skills, images, and any other sections included in the template. Although Overleaf uses LaTeX, which may look technical at first, working from a template makes things much easier because most of the formatting is already done for you. One of the easiest ways to edit the content is by switching from the code editor to the visual editor. This allows you to change the text more easily without worrying too much about the code itself. For example, you can replace a sample name with your own name. You can also update the job title. And once done, click on Recompile to refresh the PDF preview. Once recompiled, you'll immediately see your updated information reflected in the resume. Continue replacing the sample content with your own information until everything matches your experience and qualifications. When you're finished, simply download the PDF version of your resume, and you'll have a clean and professional CV ready to send out. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.